Are you an aspiring musician looking to master your guitar skills? Do you find yourself struggling to find the right songs to practice and improve your technique? Look no further. In this article, we have curated a playlist of timeless blues hits that will not only help you enhance your guitar skills but also transport you to the soulful world of blues music. So grab your guitar, plug in, and let's dive into this musical journey. Crossroads, by Robert Johnson. Let's start our playlist with a classic blues track by the legendary Robert Johnson. Crossroads is known for its intricate fingerpicking style and haunting melodies. By learning this song, you'll develop finger dexterity and gain a deeper understanding of blues phrasing. Sweet Home Chicago, by Robert Johnson. Another gem from Robert Johnson, Sweet Home Chicago, showcases his mastery of slide guitar playing. Slide techniques add a unique flavor to your playing style and can greatly expand your sonic palette. The Thrill Is Gone, by B.B. King. No blues playlist would be complete without B.B. King's iconic hit, The Thrill Is Gone. This song is an excellent choice for practicing expressive bending techniques and developing smooth vibrato. Red House, by Jimi Hendrix. Jimi Hendrix revolutionized the way we approach electric guitar playing, blending elements of blues with rock and psychedelia. The slow-burning blues track, Red House, allows ample room for improvisation while honing your bending skills. Statesboro Blues, by the Allman Brothers Band. The Allman Brothers Band brought their own southern rock twist to the world of blues music with songs like Statesboro Blues. This high-energy tune will challenge both your rhythm chops and lead improvisation skills. Pride and Joy, by Stevie Ray Vaughan. Stevie Ray Vaughan's virtuosic guitar playing continues to inspire generations of guitarists. Pride and Joy is a perfect example of his signature Texas blues style, featuring lightning-fast licks and soulful bends. Born Under a Bad Sign, by Albert King. Albert King's Born Under a Bad Sign is an essential blues track that showcases the power of simplicity in guitar playing. Mastering this song will improve your timing, phrasing, and overall groove. Stormy Monday, by T-Bone Walker. T-Bone Walker's smooth and sophisticated playing style influenced countless musicians, including B.B. King and Chuck Berry. Learning his masterpiece, Stormy Monday, will introduce you to jazz-infused blues chords and melodic improvisation. Black Magic Woman, by Fleetwood Mac, originally by Peter Green. While most people associate this song with Santana's rendition, it was originally written by Peter Green during his tenure with Fleetwood Mac. This haunting tune combines elements of blues and Latin music, allowing you to explore new rhythmic patterns on your guitar. Dust My Broom, by Elmore James. Elmore James's slide guitar prowess shines through in the timeless classic, Dust My Broom. Slide techniques can be challenging at first, but mastering them will give your playing a distinctive sound that sets you apart from other guitarists. By immersing yourself in these timeless blues hits, you'll not only improve your technical skills but also develop a deep appreciation for the rich history of blues music itself. Each song offers unique opportunities for growth as a guitarist, whether it's mastering fingerpicking patterns or experimenting with different styles like slide or jazz-infused chords. So why wait? Pick up your guitar today and embark on this musical journey that will elevate your playing to new heights. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these blues hits as your guide, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master of the guitar. In conclusion, this curated playlist of timeless blues hits provides aspiring musicians with an opportunity to enhance their guitar skills while immersing themselves in the captivating world of blues music. By mastering these songs, you'll develop essential techniques such as fingerpicking, bending, slide playing, and improvisation. So plug in your guitar and let the soulful melodies transport you into a realm where passion meets skill. Happy practicing!